Now I request our principal, Dr. Madan, to say a few encouraging words to motivate our students. Madan, ma'am.
Ma'am, unmute.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, you have to unmute yourself, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, I said good evening once again, and what a feast it was, from 4:30 onwards. I think we have just heard such, dynamic entrepreneurs, their journey, their learnings, that sharing. I think so many, takeaways for our young students who are a part of this Utkarsh series. And I think thank you very much, Mr. Sachin, Ms. Janisha. I think your presentations were very, very well crafted, wonderfully delivered, and I think you could connect with the students so well. And I was listening to all the questions which the students asked, and very well moderated, as well as coordinated the whole program. So that was the first part, and I think the second part was even more wonderful, where I actually personally enjoyed it so much, because I kept on telling Dr. Anuradha, because she has been updating me each and every step, that how our students are so keenly participating in Tykeathon, and they've got some brilliant ideas, and they've really worked hard. So I'm completely updated on your entire journey. But like, I think today I sat and heard each one of you. It was a real feast for me. And what I felt was each one of you are winners. I really want to applaud for each one of you, because the way you have thought about these ideas, and the way you have connected with the heritage, the culture, the tradition of this country. I think there is so much which has gone into you in this whole journey of your preparation for this competition. So take a huge round of applause from my side. And yeah, I really want to say that a virtual hug to each one of you. You were just brilliant. I think all the ideas were so good, and even only one of the teams could reach the final round, but that's okay. This is absolutely a step forward, and I'm quite elated. And especially I see the level of confidence in our students, and I think the learnings, connecting to your roots, connecting to your heritage, connecting to your culture, these are very, very valuable learnings, through this journey. So God bless you all. I think this is just the beginning of the story, and I congratulate our EIP cell. I think it's a dynamic cell of SVT, right? And we have all very, very committed and progressive thinking mentors with you. So a big round of applause for each one of them: Dr. Anuradha, Dr. Mighty, Zainab, Bamini, Anju, I think, and even the other mentors you all mentioned, Jasmeet, Shwetangana. I think each one of them also did their bit in motivating you and hand holding. So I am quite thrilled that the way we are going, we will have many entrepreneurs having an incubation in the institution. That's precisely what we want. We want our students to be more creative, be more innovative. The institution wants to come forward to handhold, so that we have many startups incubated, we get patented, we get copyrights. These are all the steps we would like to take. But I think we've taken some remarkable steps in that direction. So congratulations, each one of you. And I think I could hear each one of you, and I could get that feel of what is the standard of creativity of our students. And I'm overjoyed, absolutely overjoyed today. So God bless, and a big thank you to each one of you. And I think we will take this to a level higher than this in the next events to come. So thank you, Dr. Anuradha, for giving me this opportunity. And
Thank you.
over. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, Parul.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your wonderful words and for motivating the students.
I think I
And,
forgot to mention Parul Vatt's name. Okay, please pardon me, because I
It's
may
okay,
have
ma'am.
missed your name, Parul, but I know all of you are putting such wonderful work. It's not easy, and I really thank each one of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, even though it's a learning for all of us as well.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to be a part of
Yeah.
this cell. Students, moving ahead, if you have any questions, you can put it in the chat box for our Toycathon participants.
Girls, you can even ask if you have any specific questions or anything. I mean, if it really motivates you, um, or any comments that you have, how you felt about it. Anyone can just say a few lines. Or is it too overwhelming?
I think so.
I think, ma'am, I would
So
really like to appreciate the students because their ideas were extremely innovative. And as ma'am said, participation is more important. So congratulations to all the team. You did a great job. Your ideas were very innovative, wonderful ideas. So thank you for participating.
So we come to the end of our session, and of course, we cannot end the session without a word of thanks, especially to one and all who have actually contributed to make this event possible today. So it is my proud privilege and pleasure to really acknowledge this contribution made by one and all of our SVT College of Home Science. Plus students, even the outsiders. So our guest speakers, specifically Mr. Sachin Kumbhaje and Mrs. Janisha Cheda, my heartfelt gratitude to both the speakers for sparing their valuable time for all of us, and definitely for sharing their knowledge and experiences with us. So that was really invigorating, and I think it motivates to listen to such speakers. So thanks to both of them. Definitely our principal, Dr. Jigmeet Madan, and the vice principal, Mrs. Manjari Bhalerao, who have been there and have eternally supported all our endeavors. So it's like, however small our efforts may be, but they have been there standing with us and supporting us. So thank you very much, ma'am. Dr. Amaiti Shukla, the IQAC coordinator and head Department of Textiles, for her guidance and suggestions throughout. She's also part of the EIP cell, so I mean, she has many hats to wear, and but however, she's been guiding us really well. So thanks to her for everything, and heads of all the other departments for the support and cooperation throughout for whatever activities we have had. Uh, Definitely, I cannot forget the technical experts, Mr. Elton Pinto and Mr. Viren Shah, for the meticulous support for the events. So thank you very much for always being there and supporting us throughout. Of course, the Toycathon team. So thank you all that 9 team members for your enthusiastic presentations and for encouraging your peer groups. Thank you very much. And I have to tell you this, that it is really heartening to see your presentations, which are so culturally bound. I mean, you can see that feeling coming out of how important it is to bring in the contextual and the cultural perspective. So thanks to the Toycathin team, and of course our dear students for participating in the program. And of course, the last but not the least at all, the EIP team, Dr. Anuradha Ramesh, Ms. Anju Tulsian, Ms. Hemani Malhotra, Ms. Parul Vats, Ms. Zainab Patharia, and Ms. Shwetangana Bharadwaj. So thank you all to one and all for supporting us throughout. Thank you very much.